Hello everyone, today in this video I will explain how to prepare sprouts vegetable curry. This is a delicious curry prepared in India and is very healthy for you because of the protein content available in the sprouts. Here I have prepared the sprouts by soaking the green gram for about 8 hours. Then post that I have just let it stay in a cool dark place covered, and through this method I have got some sprouts. Here you can see. I hope this is clear. So this is a very delicious and a healthy recipe. So let me explain the ingredients required to prepare this delicious curry. The main ingredients is sprouts, of course, and here I have about 1 chopped onion, small green chilies, 2 some curry leaves readily available, and this is optional. This is half chopped green capsicum and 1 chopped tomato. Let's move on to the spices. Here what I would require is half a teaspoon of turmeric, about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt for taste. So let's see how to prepare this delicious sprout curry. So to begin with, here I have taken a wok, and in the wok, as soon as you heat the wok, add about 4 spoons of oil and wait until this heats up. While the wok is heating up, you can also add some of the dry spices like mustard seed, cumin seeds. This will add some extra flavor. Wait for the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds to splutter. As soon as you hear the noise of them cracking, please add some curry leaves, green chili, and some onions. And keep stirring it. You could also add some chopped garlic and ginger for additional flavor. Wait for the onions to soften a little bit until they become translucent. You can add a little bit of salt so that the onions cook evenly. Keep stirring. You can see now that the onions have started to turn a little golden brown. Wait for another minute or 2 until they are evenly cooked. Also ensure that the raw taste of the chilies and the onions has gone away. Now is the right time to add the rest of our vegetables. First I would add the green capsicum. because this requires a little more extra time than the sprouts to cook. Keep stirring. You can now notice that the capsicum has started to soften a little bit. Now is the right time to add the sprouts. Keep stirring. If you wish, you can cover this at this point so that it can cook in its own steam for about a minute or two. Now is the right time to add our last vegetables, that is the tomatoes. So guys, you can see the colorful curry coming through. At this point, I am adding some more salt, about 1 teaspoon. As you can see now that the water from the vegetables has started to evaporate and they have begun to cook down. Now is the right time to add our spices. So here go all the spices together. Please add a dash of water so that the spices don't burn. Combine all the spices together. The secret to a good chef is that they keep tasting as they cook. So please take the liberty to taste at this point, and you could add some more salt if required, or any other spices as per your liking. You can also add some garam masala. Here I have skipped the garam masala. At this point, add some more water and let it be covered and cook down for about 5 to 7 minutes. Every minute or so, please keep stirring so that the vegetables cook evenly until all the water has evaporated. Guys, you can see now that the water has begun to evaporate and the vegetables have all evenly cooked up. Wait for another minute or two and your curry should be ready to eat. Meanwhile, for those of you who don't know what is green gram, here it is. This is readily available in any of your grocery supermarkets and is really very healthy for you. So guys, at last you have your curry ready. You could garnish this with some coriander or even some grated coconut. It tastes really delicious. At this point, please turn off the gas or the flame. So guys, here you have your delicious curry ready and to be served best with a little bit of curd or yogurt, and this goes really well with some chapati or rice. Chapati is the Indian flat bread. So please enjoy this delicious and healthy curry and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you. Bye for now.